Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be cleaning and decorating my master bedroom for spring. So if you want to see what I did, stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is take down the curtains and the curtain rods because I plan on changing out the curtains. I'm not going to put those back up. And I'm going to do a small little DIY on the curtain rods. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love it if you have to comment down below to introduce yourself and just say hi. I'm Tiffany and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And now I'm going to grab a can of spray paint so that I can head outside and get started on the curtain rods.
You'll no longer feel my presence, so you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence.
So I didn't want to spend any money on a new curtain rod, but I wanted black curtain rods, and the one that was already up there, they were gold. So I figured it would just be a lot less expensive if I just spray painted the ones that I already had. So I left those to dry overnight, and it is the next day, and I'm going to get started cleaning my room.
No, that's right. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and you'll no longer feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Cause I don't. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Oh no. So you thought I would let this slip. So I'm putting you on a lifetime sentence, and now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence, so now you never feel my presence. Never feel. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. Good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night
So I have been looking high and low for a new comforter set, and I thought I had found one, but when I got it home, it just didn't do anything for me. So I just decided to add the pillows from my sitting area to my bed just to brighten it up a little bit.
Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want.
So I already had this blush throw, and I knew that it would be perfect to tie in with the pillows.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind.
And so here, I used to have dark pink roses, and I'm just changing those out for the pink gardenias.
Feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
Since I took the pillows from my sitting area, I knew I was going to have to replace them, so I picked those two up that you see there, and I got them from Ross for $17.99.
I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again.
So now I'm going to put the curtain rods back up, and when I tell y'all I was on the struggle bus because I forgot to charge the drill, and I was trying to do it with the screwdriver. But anyway, my husband came home and saved me.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
So again, I had been on the hunt for some curtains for my room, and I found these at Ross back in February, and there were 4 panels in there, and I got them for $19.99.
You told me you believe in something, and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim, and come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones, and be wild, 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 wild. Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone,
And I wanted to show y'all the changes I made in my family room. I added a pop of color with the yellow pillows to my sofa and my love seat in my chair. And I got the love pillow from Bales for $9.99. And I got 2 buffalo check pillows from Walmart. And I think I got them they were 2 in a pack for $14.99.
everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
Mama's here, 'cause maybe